Hello everyone, in this video, we'll solve 4 memory-based GMAT physics questions step by step. Make sure to watch till the end and subscribe for more G concepts explained simply. Question is from rotational mechanics. A block of mass m is inside a rotating hollow cylinder of radius r, rotating with angular speed omega. The block is at rest relative to the cylinder. So let's look at the forces acting on the block. The normal force provides the centripetal force. So, N equals m omega varg r. Vertically, the block tends to fall down due to gravity. And this is balanced by friction. So we write, friction equals mg. For limiting equilibrium, F equals mu n. Substituting values, mg equals mu m omega varg r. Cancel m on both sides. Finally, we get, boxed mu equals frac g omega varg r. This is the minimum coefficient of friction. Now let's move to optics. The refractive index of the prism is 2. And the prism angles are 45 degrees and 90 degree. The question says the emerging ray just grazes the surface, which means the angle of refraction is 90 degree. That happens when the angle of incidence inside the prism is equal to the critical angle. First, calculate the critical angle, sin C equals frac 1 scat 2, right arrow C equals 45 degrees. The angle between the two refracting faces is 90 degrees. So inside the prism, r_1 jod r_2 equals 90 degrees, right arrow r_1 equals 45 degrees. Now apply Snell's law at the first surface, sin I equals mu, sin r_1 equals scat 2 times sin 45 degree equals 1. So, I equals 90 degrees. Correct answer is 90 degrees. This question is from atomic physics. Energy of an electron in Bohr's atom is A_n equals frac 13.6 n⁻². Text F. Given energy, A equals -4 text F. So, frac 13.6 n⁻² equals 4, right arrow n varg equals 3.4 approx 4, right arrow n equals 2. Angular momentum in Bohr's atom is L equals n frac h2 pi. Therefore, frac 2 pi L h equals n equals 2. Correct option is 2. Question is from current electricity. A battery with internal resistance R is connected to an external resistance R. According to the maximum power transfer theorem, boxed R equals R. This condition gives maximum power across the load resistance. आज के लिए बस इतना है. वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक करो, फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करो. और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करो for more G and study related videos. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.